Hey everybody, Matt Timms back here for another awesome video. If you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you the exact ads, targeting, and strategy I'm using to promote my new software, LinkHero, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too, so you can make 40% recurring commission on the exact ads that I am using to promote it. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I don't want to waste your time. Let's take a look at LinkHero. So the strategy, let's just talk strategy for a second here. Generally speaking, I'm highlighting key features. There's a lot of people that don't know what the key features are, or, well, let's just put it this way. There's a lot of people that aren't sold by all of the features at once, because people generally aren't sold just because you hear everything. You get this massive list. You go into a restaurant and you don't buy something because the menu is enormous, do you? No. You buy something because there's one thing that sticks out and is super amazing for you for that day or that time you're visiting. And then you keep coming back because the menu is so big and you can explore and do so many things. So I'm using that exact same strategy to promote LinkHero, my new software. I'm highlighting different features. One of the main ones that I'm going to show you today is I'm highlighting the fact that you can put Facebook Pixel on all of your short links. Some other features I've highlighted is that the dashboard is really, really organized. So if you have a million affiliate links or client links, you can filter and search and tag. So I've done great things by highlighting that. By highlighting there's a call to action pop-up that you can put over any link that you're sending to somebody else's website. So what I'm doing is I'm highlighting different things with different ads, and that's giving people something to actually hook onto, and then they come in and they start to find all the features as they dig around. So let's go ahead and jump in. LinkHero. I'm not going to walk you through exactly how to add the pixel because I think you can jump in here, and there's one other video as well where I'm walking you through that. So I'm going to jump right into some of the ads that we've been running. I'm going to show you an old ad set, but this is still the exact thing, just a few different optimizations. So we're targeting, this is really interesting. We are running ads at different like Facebook ad influencers. And the one thing you have to do is you have to create your LinkHero link and then set up a custom conversion for that link. So check this out, my pixeled ref URL. So I'm running this to ManyChat using conversion ads. And if you've run ads at all, you realize that really helps to optimize everything. And so here's the short link for my bot sequence, linkhero.co/pixeled-ref URL. That link goes to my messenger bot. And personally, I've just found it to be a lot more effective to do it this way than to run link clicks or page post engagement or anything like that. So I set up custom conversions. That way Facebook actually learns who's letting the pixel load long enough, who cares enough, so that I'm optimizing it for those people who this pixel has fired. So they get one step further than just hitting the ad by accident. They actually let it load. Then scrolling down, I'm doing all English-speaking audiences or countries: U.S., New Zealand, Canada, U.K., Australia. 18 to 35, you get too far out of there, and you just get. You could try it, always test, but that's what we're doing right now. Technology early adopters. Because what that tells me is that people who are willing to jump in and spend money on technology that may not have like a long track record or have been around a long time, and they don't recognize the name as much. So those people jumping in there, and then I layered in all of these different kind of Facebook marketers or digital marketers, social media people, those types of things, layered in theirs. And then I'm sticking just to Facebook feeds, and I'll show you why in a minute here. And then I am running for conversions. There's one hack that I need to show you about running this as a conversion ad, but just keep this in mind because I'm not going to come back to this exact screen. So then here's the ad. Here's the actual ad. So it started out as just a page post, an actual post on my page, because you'll see there's no link section. You see at the bottom of the ad here, There's no like banner, there's no call to action button. What I'm doing is I'm just illustrating the pixel plus links, website, that type of thing, that you can combine the two. And I'm saying want to retarget websites that you don't own. And then I'm doing an immediate call to action right there to get them straight into my bot. And then I'm giving a few scenarios. Imagine retargeting traffic from authority blogs, viral content, messenger bot URLs, which ironically is exactly what I'm doing here, or affiliate links. And then underneath the more, I just say, if you want to learn how I do this in 4 easy steps, just click the link and get started. So that's really all it is. And it's really straightforward, and a lot of people are intrigued enough to actually click on the ad, go through the bot sequence that shows them 4 steps. Step number 1 is to create your link. Step number 2 is to get your pixel ID from Facebook. Step number 3 is to install your pixel ID in Facebook. Step number 4 is to create the custom audience from the URL that you made in LinkHero. So that is the exact ad that we are using. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your questions. Anything I can do to help you learn from this better. And then ultimately, at the end of the day, the big reason I'm giving this away to you is because I know there are a lot of people in this audience who want to make a 40% recurring commission on everybody who signs up for LinkHero through your link. It's a very easy product to sell. So you just go into your dashboard up here on the top right, pull it down under referrals, and then grab your link right there, right in the center. And as you refer people, you will start to see them here. You'll get their names and their emails so you can follow up with them. And then you are going to be getting a 40% recurring commission. Right now, our plan is $11 a month on the monthly. And we're going to be rolling out some future plans with a lot more attractive, kind of more advanced marketing features. And if somebody upgrades, you will automatically get the upgrade. Right now, this is new. It's new to market, so you have a big opportunity to jump in and stake your claim on what LinkHero can do for you and your audience. So if you have any questions, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear some ideas of things that you'd like me to talk through or to walk you through or demonstrate, either as concepts or technology. I'm open. I'm here to serve you. But if you got value out of this, I'd love it if you would smash that like button. Make sure you drop a comment, whether you have questions or not. Just let me know that, hey, I made it to the end. I love watching it. And if this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you get more of these awesome videos delivered to your notifications every time they come out. All right, everybody, happy marketing, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.